boy, the Jiggy Prince, looking like Thugnificent today. Hey yo, but like, I know y'all sick as hell. Y'all ain't see me posting dummy long. I already told y'all, like, it's not even a guarantee I was gonna be consistent. Said I'm gonna try. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you new. Join the Jiggy fam, you feel me? We going crazy. What else I'm about to say? But there's another reason why I haven't been like consistent. It's something else I've been doing. I'm gonna show y'all probably my next. A lot of people been asking me what's my hair routine, like whatever do my hair. Cause my curls be popping, you feel me? It be hey, facts. But y'all gonna see what I be doing. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process that I take, and every product and everything I use, you're gonna see it. All right, let's quit the chit-chatting. Let's quit the chit-chatting. Let's get to the video, y'all. So these are all the products we're gonna be using, alright? Alright, let's get it. Alright, so I decided to make a voiceover. Take out the ponytails if you decided to separate your hair. Let me get a towel real quick. Alright, so then you want to rinse your hair so that it won't be dry and so it'll be easier to handle. Make sure your hair is wet. Then you're gonna detangle it with your fingers, you know. Take all the knots out. Take all of that out with your fingers first. Do not use combs first. Take the big knots out with your fingers first. Then after that, you want to add the conditioner. It's called Aussie. The brand is called Aussie. A-U-S-S-I-E. It's at Walmart. Put the conditioner in and then continue to detangle it with your fingers. Then next, you're gonna comb it. Use a big teeth comb if you have a lot of hair. Then what you want to do when you're combing it, you're going to comb the ends of your hair first and then get into the roots. It's better to comb it like that so you won't lose as much hair. So after you do that, you want to rinse your hair out. Yeah, rinse that down, go crazy. Then you're going to put it back in the ponytail if you decide to separate it. Then do the other side the same way. I'm just doing it like this so y'all can see it a little better. See exactly what I'm doing, how you do it. You feel me? And you're going to rinse your other side of your hair and take out both ponytails. So next, you want to shampoo your hair. This is the Can 2 shampoo. Make sure you get inside of your hair. On top, the roots, all that. You got to get it clean, fam. Back and forth into roots. Scratch your roots. Another thing is, you don't need to wash your hair every day. Once a week is what I do. After that, you're going to rinse your hair. Alright, so I decided to use this almond milk hair mask because I wanted to try it out. Don't always use a hair mask. Do it maybe like a few times a month. This is just to help your curls out a little more. You want to put it in your hair for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you're going to rinse it out. Yeah, put it all in your roots. Do the same thing that you do like when you're conditioning or shampooing your hair. You can see the curls forming a little bit as soon as I put it in. You want to shake your hair, you know, separate it a little more. As you can see, the curls are forming even better. Look at this guy. Don't mind that. Yeah, after you put the hair mask in for 7 minutes, 5 minutes, you want to rinse it out. So after you rinse it out, you want to put your moisturizer in or your leave-in conditioner, your choice. What I'm using is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. It works wonders, my dude. So yeah, the curls just look better, looks defined. I need to work on my frizz. I need to find something that can help me with my frizz. Like, I have a lot of frizz, as you can see.
Yeah, y'all.
Yeah, with that. So at this point, I already put the moisturizer in, as you can see. So yeah, I'm basically done. When it dries out, it'll look a little better. Alright, thank y'all for watching that. That was my curly hair routine. So all the people that's going to be asking me in the future, I'm going to be sending you the link to this video. If I ever change anything, I'm going to make a part 2 and keep y'all updated. You feel me? But thank y'all for watching that for real. I love y'all. Have a blessed day. I'm going to have some new content up for y'all. The next thing going to be cool. Like, it's going to be something I was hiding from y'all. I'm going to show y'all. It's going to be fire. But y'all just stay tuned with everything. You feel me? Follow my IG. Follow my Twitter, follow my Snapchat. My Snapchat is different from everything else. Just look in the description, I always put it there. But yeah, everything is a Jiggy Prince except for my Snapchat. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Thank y'all for watching that. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me all the feedback I need, y'all. Thank you. Next videos is gonna be fire. Facts.
That's all, folks.